Welcome back to another Ergo Benjamin video here. We are going to be looking at Ergo and the markets today. I'm actually going to be trying something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a Ergo TA video, an Ergo NFT video, and kind of an Ergo tokens video, just to separate those into different segments, and those will respectively get their own playlists as well. So hopefully that goes well and does what it's supposed to do. Anyways, looking at the TA for this Ergo right now, Bitcoin's been jumping around doing a bunch of different crazy numbers lately. We've been as high as uh, close to 24,000, and now we're seeking back into these lows. But over 3 months, it looks like, uh, well, it literally just looks like a lower high. But um, I guess if I'm looking at it from like if I think we're gonna go back down, um, hmm. Yeah, it could be a correction, I think. I only say that just because of these instances right here, but it could be a correction path otherwise. Um, I think we're kind of like in this territory right now in the market. And it'll be, probably another year before we actually get that official bull run as soon as that Bitcoin halving takes into, place. Looking at Ergo though, we're trading at around $1.70, and we were trading at around $1.78 yesterday, which was really, really good. It looks like actually up to $1.81. But I'd like to bring some like important things to context, right? And I think Goonie makes a good point right here. He's like, I was a big fan of Ergo, but when they said it was up to the crypto community to get the word out, I left. Without at least a little marketing, this ain't going anywhere. And yeah, that is true. Marketing is kind of key to this whole thing with cryptocurrencies, and especially being ranked 274. Without any major exchange listings, it's going to be hard to even get more people to get their eyes on Ergo, which does bring in some actual questions regarding both daily or daily volume and daily growth as far as new users go. I would have to say that for any cryptocurrency within the top 10, I think those numbers go up and down quite a bit. People try ecosystems, leave ecosystems. Um, but I think, if we're talking about just pure tech, pure value, um, and I think Ergo is the perfect play. I think it's exactly what we should be trying to aim towards in terms of stability, security, and just the model itself. So in that regard, I think Ergo is very bullish, but unfortunately, we need to hit larger exchanges and we need to grab users aggressively, really, is the thing that I would say, really. Um, I say really a lot, but that's really what needs to happen. Um, and most of those users are probably going to be miners. And VC money is great, but we need to have the user base first and the tech building, and the tech builds every day, but we're just waiting for that inflection point. And once a certain API reaches a certain level or the Rosen bridge comes out, I mean, it could be all over. I think most of the liquidity that we get comes from Cardano individuals, and that has a market cap of 13 billion, which is quite different from Ergo. Um, but it's totally possible for Ergo to get a $13 billion market cap. Um, by the end of this year, maybe not. By the end of next year, maybe not. In 3, 4 years, definitely. Um, and that's just a really conservative placement and a conservative bet too. But ultimately, the community has to grow in size, and we have to become very shameless about shilling this project. Not as shameless as to say that we need to like scam people, but we need to like get the word out there about this project and how good it is. So, looking at some of the products, or not the products, the charts for Ergo, but using some of the products that TradingView offers us. And you guys can check this out for yourself too. It's very, very easy to do. We're seeing a dollar price point of $1.71. We're going to clear our indicators. We're going to add our indicator. We're going to go for the fib. gonna go for the retracement, and yeah, we're just idling right here, a little bit under this blue. Um, it looks like, decreasing in volume, anything under, 169. I would say probably between 168 is kind of dangerous territory. So anything under 169, probably a bearish confirmation. And anything above, I would say 176 is bullish again. Just basing off this and that alone, right? So that's what I have for today in today's video on Ergo and the TA. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.